Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the TLR-9 and install it on my SIG P320 X-Five Legion. So I ended up going with the TLR-9 instead of the TLR-1 just because normally I have the TLR-7 on all my carry guns, and I like the way that those triggers feel a little bit better. I like the press in a little bit more than the touch down. So I figured that would be a little bit more at home, at least for me. That's the light itself. I will say it is a lot longer than what you would expect it to be. The X-Five Legion is a huge gun, and on that it looks normal. But you put it on any other gun, it looks absolutely absurd. So let's go ahead and take this guy off. So on the side right here, it'll show you throw these two batteries that they come with down the pipe just like that. And then after, let's go ahead and screw this back on. Let's do a quick little test, make sure it turns on. Yep, all right. And let's go ahead and, it's a flathead it looks like. So let's go ahead and unscrew it a little bit, give ourselves some room. And I will say, be very careful with this screw. These guys are very temperamental. I've almost stripped out a bunch of those, and it is a bit of a pain in the butt to find spare parts for these because just not too many people really make them. And they do have upgraded kits where it's an Allen, but I've noticed that when you do the upgraded Allen kit, sometimes it can interfere with your holster. So that's another thing just to kind of keep in mind. And just so you guys see, obviously chamber's clear, no mag, point of safe direction. Oh, mag disconnect. Forgot about that lovely feature in California, but nothing's in there. Empty mag. So we're safe to work on it. Let's go ahead and install this guy. Kind of clamp it down, make sure it's kind of where you want it. Then just go ahead and get it to decently snug and just a little bit. Again, be very careful with these screws because they strip out very easily and they're a pain in the butt to kind of get replacements for. So all in all, that's how it looks with the TLR-9. I have to say, on this gun, it looks normal, but compared to any other light, it's almost double the size. For one of the next videos, I'll try to make a comparison video with the TLR-7 that I have on my 365 or my Hellcat, but yeah, this is a massive light, but I also, just like that, look, you can just kind of click it on. You can use your dominant hand, because I don't like the idea of having to flick down like the TLR-1. So rather than having to flick it down for on, like the Surefire or TLR-1, you could just do the quick press and you're ready to get into that trigger guard immediately. So that's the install and what it looks like on a X-Five Legion. Let's just go ahead and give it a quick spin. I hope you guys like the install and the unboxing. Besides that, I'm pretty sure that's pretty much it. It comes with two batteries that already, everything you need to install the light. This light's coming in at about like $135 compared to your Surefire Ultra, which is usually like around $280, $300-ish. I think it's a pretty solid light, especially at 1,000 lumens, is more than what most people will need. And given how this fitment looks, I kind of like this style more because it protrudes just ever so slightly above. Like, this is where the barrel is. Like, you're looking at like maybe a quarter of an inch, if that, compared to the Surefire, which protrudes out a good bit. That's how it looks, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one you would go with if you had the choice. I'm personally sticking with Streamlight just because I've always used Streamlight and I've trusted them. I've used them when I was working on cars and especially on guns and everything like that. They're a very solid product. Let me know what you guys would go with. Take care and God bless.